Hi, it's me. What do we call me? There is no self, so I don't know who is talking to you. Once I was a day old. My father was around 20 maybe when he and mother brought me to this world. They raised me till 18, 19 while they struggled to live. They had to take care of the family, their father, their mother, and the whole bunch of people. But they raised me so I can make name for them. Now I am 22. They want me to get married and after that have some kid. दिन बच्चों का ध्यान रखो, फिर उनका ध्यान रखो, एंड द होल बंच ऑफ पीपल. ओके ओके, आराम से समझते हैं. मेरे पापा ने मुझे पैदा किया ताकि मैं उनका ख्याल रखूँ, क्योंकि उन्होंने मेरा ख्याल रखा. ठीक है. नाउ दे वॉन्ट मी टू गेट हाई पेइंग जॉब दैट आई डोंट इवन लाइक. देन नाउ व्हेन आई गेट दैट जॉब, अब शादी, वो भी सबको दिखाने वाली शादी. अब शादी हो गया, लोन भर रहा हूँ, बच्चे, ओके, फीस भी भर रहा हूँ. अब बिल्कुल भी समय नहीं बचा है. बच्चा, माँ बाप, बीबी, घर का लोन, शादी का लोन. अरे मेरे बच्चे भी तो बड़े हो रहे हैं, अब उनका भी तो फ्यूचर सेट करना है, उनको कंट्रोल करके कि बेटा ये करो, बेटा वो करो. एंड दिस इज़ माई फ्रेंड द एंडलेस साइकिल ऑफ लाइफ. Father brought a kid, then he gave responsibility, then he brought a new kid, a responsibility repeated itself. The endless cycle of life, it just repeating again and again. About humans, they have just become a machine that just reproduce humans and cook food for them. And literally there is no joy in it. इसे इतना नॉर्मलाइज कर दिया गया है कि अब वुमेंस को भी लगता है कि यही लाइफ है, पर सच में ये है क्या? दिस इज़ जस्ट एन अ मेड अप वर्ल्ड by the society. You are a lot more than capable of that. The world is so big. Go live a life, explore it. You are not here just to reproduce. You owe nothing to anyone. Nobody owes to anyone. You say they are done for you, but they are done for themselves. Women are brave, a lot more than men. All men suffers, but not for them. The world they have made it around them, knowingly or unknowingly, forced and fed up by the society. Idea has faded in you. So-called responsibility or love or just a museum of burden on your shoulders. They give it to you and you do to accept it in the society, but they never do. They can do. It's an individual thing, but it has rotten this much now it cannot be fixed. But you, my friend, you are free. Where the life begins with a false belief like a god, society, everyone murders the kid's curiosity. Belief is a false, and what we give always believe for all the situation. You are gonna die, let's give it believe. You are going to heaven, you are going to hell. Like आत्मा कभी मरता नहीं है, शरीर मरता है. Bro, you are going to die, and that's the fact. Do this, do that, you will be happy, money, wife, kid, and every kind of belief. We live in a world of agreed belief. I call it agreed illusion. When the belief is involved, it is hard to take anything. The what I said, a truth. It is hard to escape the cycle. The whole life you are living, it's a belief of dream. यही तो सिखाया है, और कुछ कहाँ आता है. ये होगा, ऐसे होगा, होता तो ये कब होगा, कहाँ मिलेगा, कैसे होगा. प्लीज़ भगवान ये दिला देना मुझे. प्लीज़ भगवान, मैं उसके बिना जी ना सकूँगा. ये ना मिली तो मर जाऊँगा. भगवान कौन है यहाँ? कितना मांगा है तुमने? क्या मिला है अब तक तुम्हें? जितना मांगा है उसमें से कितना मिला है तुम्हें? 10-20%. हाउ मच यू हैव गेटेड टिल नाउ? ये जीवन भिखारियों की तरह जियोगे तो कितना ही जी पाओगे? सम्राट खुद के. आई एम नॉट मोटिवेटिंग यू गाइस, इट्स नॉट द थिंग दैट आई डू. इट्स सिंपल एज दैट. इसे अपने जीवन के ऊपर हावी मत होने दो. देर इज जस्ट नो नीड टू मैरिज एंड रिप्रोड्यूस अगेन एंड अगेन. देर इज जस्ट ऑलवेज अ वे दैट देर इज दिस लाइफ इज सो बिग दैट यू कैन एक्सप्लोर so much of it. But what are you doing? Like, look at me, I'm sitting here and it's actually a good place. I love it here. There is just no need to marriage and reproduce. It's just simple as that. Just simple as that. Live a life on your own, not too bound by the society centuries long before humanity rules or whatever they call it. Everything is here is given to you, like naam, jati, dharam, every freaking thing. What you have gained, what was yours, यहाँ सब तुम्हारे ऊपर लादा गया है एक बोझ की तरह. इसमें से तुम्हारा क्या था? कैसे डिफरेंस बता पाओगे? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? वो भी तो तुम्हें दिया गया है. जिसे तुम अपना समझते हो, तुम्हारा सब कुछ तो दिया ही गया है यहाँ. इन सब में कौन हो तुम? You are not just living your life. It is just all shaped and influenced by all others. All they are the one who is controlling it. Like this, you are just tiny little this. I am not in any position to guide you through a life. It's all up to you. Decide for yourself. I wanted to talk about this I don't know why, but I wanted to talk about this. Just don't be controlled. Don't be controlled. Live a life that you want to choose. Like you can just sit here and like I'm peace within myself. That is what you should do. Do not be controlled. Do not be controlled. It's fun. It's actually a peaceful life.